Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will share an AI tool on this. Today we are going with Flora AI. Flora helps you build stunning visual with the three-step process of ideate, iterate, and scale. With Flora, you can create visual effects, fashion, advertising, concepting, branding, motion and architecture, and much more. So Flora is based on subscription model. Here you can see some of amazing creations from Flora and it's really creative. Today let's explore Flora. So now I sign up with Flora AI. After signing up, here you can see the Flora dashboard. Now I will write a prompt. Here I will add one prompt for image generation. Now let's see what it creates for us. I told it to create a futuristic build farm where two robots are operating. So when you sign up on Flora, it's give you free 1000 credits. Here, here you can download, save and see the library, techniques, elements, history, field and comments. This is also the help section. Now it generated quickly and here we go. This is the amazing. This is the amazing generation. Now I will turn this into a video. I will write a prompt here like turn this into a video where robots are working and machine are running. It's working. Boom. So here we can play the video and now you can see the result of Flora. It's a really cool and amazing tool. You can try it out with the link in the comments. So let me know what you create with the Flora AI. For more techie videos, hit like and share.